Hey, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to discover a revolutionary approach to weight loss? Today, we're diving into the exciting world of plant-based diets and how they can help you shed those extra pounds effortlessly. If you're tired of yo-yo dieting and want a strategy that truly works, you're in the right place. Stick around, and let's uncover the secrets of plant-powered weight loss that everyone is talking about. Let's kick things off by introducing the concept of using plants as a powerful tool for weight loss. Not only does this approach offer numerous health benefits, but it's also a sustainable and enjoyable way to achieve your desired body goals. Leave behind restrictive dieting and welcome the nourishing power of nature. Many of us face the same challenges when trying to lose weight. Traditional diets can feel like a constant battle, leaving you hungry and frustrated. They often focus on calorie counting or cutting out entire food groups, which can be hard to maintain in the long run. This is where plant-based eating comes into play. By understanding the limitations of conventional methods, we can explore a more holistic and effective approach to weight management. Plant-based diets revolve around consuming nutrient-dense foods that are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These foods not only support overall health but also aid in weight management by keeping you full longer and reducing the temptation to overeat. The high fiber content in plant-based foods helps promote better digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and naturally lower your calorie intake without feeling deprived. Imagine filling your plate with colorful veggies, fruits, hearty whole grains, and protein-packed legumes. By focusing on whole, plant-based foods and minimizing processed items, you can supercharge your metabolism and fuel your body with energy. This approach is not just about weight loss, it's about embracing a lifestyle that enhances your well-being from the inside out. Did you know that scientific research supports the effectiveness of plant-based diets for weight loss? Studies show that adopting a plant-centric eating pattern can lead to sustainable weight loss, improved metabolic health, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. By choosing plant-based options, you're not just working towards your weight goals, but you're also taking steps to protect your overall health. In summary, embracing a plant-based diet for weight loss is a powerful and sustainable strategy. By choosing plant-powered foods, you can nourish your body, manage your weight effectively, and reap a multitude of health benefits. I encourage you to consider incorporating more plant-based options into your meals and experience the positive impact it can have on your health and weight. Now that you have the tools to transform your diet, it's time to take action. Check out the link in the description below for exclusive meal plans, tips, and resources to kickstart your plant-based weight loss journey. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on plant-based diets, drop a comment below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful content on healthy eating and lifestyle choices. Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey to a healthier you starts today.